Lapping is a precision machining process that is commonly used in the manufacturing industry to produce high-quality, flat surfaces on a variety of materials. This process involves the use of a specialized machine that applies a fine abrasive slurry to the surface of the material being worked on. The abrasive slurry is then rubbed against the surface of the material in a circular motion, which helps to remove any imperfections and create a smooth, flat surface. Lapping is often used in the manufacturing of precision components such as bearings, valves, and gears, where a high degree of accuracy and surface finish is required. It is also commonly used in the production of optical components such as lenses and mirrors, where a smooth, flat surface is essential for optimal performance. One of the key benefits of lapping is its ability to produce extremely flat surfaces with very tight tolerances. This makes it an ideal process for applications where precision and accuracy are critical. Additionally, lapping can be used on a wide range of materials, including metals, ceramics, and plastics, making it a versatile process that can be used in a variety of manufacturing applications. At Berkness Company, we specialize in providing high-quality manufacturing services to a wide range of industries. Our team of experienced professionals has extensive experience in lapping and other precision machining processes, and we are committed to delivering the highest level of quality and customer service to our clients. If you are interested in learning more about lapping and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, we encourage you to visit our Contact Us page to get in touch with our team. We would be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information about our services and capabilities. FAQs. 1. What is lapping in manufacturing? Lapping is a precision machining process used to produce flat surfaces or fine finishes on metal parts. It involves rubbing two surfaces together with an abrasive slurry between them to remove material and create a smooth surface. 2. What are the benefits of lapping in manufacturing? Lapping offers several benefits in manufacturing, including the ability to produce extremely flat and smooth surfaces with high precision and accuracy. It can also be used to remove surface imperfections, improve surface finish, and create tight tolerances. 3. What types of materials can be lapped in manufacturing? Lapping can be used on a wide range of materials, including metals, ceramics, glass, and plastics. The process is particularly useful for materials that are difficult to machine using traditional methods, such as hard metals or brittle materials. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.